Let us start with 3.2 Blog Writing Icebreakers. A blog is a discussion or information websites published on the World Wide Web. Blog Before blog writing became popular, people used their to share and write their articles and write up etc. through various media discuss in pairs of various mass media available for the people to express their view and complete the web given below. आपण जोड्या करून आपल्या मते व्यक्त करण्यासाठी उपलब्ध असलेल्या विविध जनसंपर्क साधनांची चर्चा करा आणि पुढील जे जाळे आहे ते पूर्ण करा. वेब पूर्ण करा. मास मीडिया, न्यूजपेपर, मॅगझिन, इंटरनेट, television, radio. That's are the particularly we uses for the communications instead of that blog. Writing is considered to be one of the most challenging, demanding, and lucrative career in the world. Match the professions in the table A with their description table B and also what they are called from table C. स्तंभ ए मधील व्यवसायांचा स्तंभ बी मधील यांच्याशी वर्णनाने जोड्या लावा आणि स्तंभ सी या स्तंभात त्यांना काय म्हणतात हे सुद्धा आहे. तर बघूयात प्रोफेशन, डिस्क्रिप्शन अँड नोन ऑन दॅट्स वी हॅव टू बी मॅच द पेअर्स हिअर. ब्लॉग रायटिंग writers publish on information, peace, views, opinion, etc. on www World Wide Web is called a blogger. The first answer is story writing. Write in short on one or more genre or fiction in magazines and anthologies, etc. The story writer, that is the answer of that. Song lyric writing. Write lyric songs for film, play, etc. on given topic. Songs writers and lyricist. Academic writing. Write in scientific journals, universe, magazine, etc. as the result of their studies and research. So that became the academic writer. Translations. Translate an original work from one language into another. That became the translator, that first one. Newspaper writing writes in national, state or local transports as the staff numbers. That became a journalist. Column writing write on trends or comments on issues on columns every day or week. Columnist. Screenwriting means write a script for film or movie, TV, etc. That is the screenplay writer. Film novel writing a long story of fiction, non-fiction or other genre. That became the novelist. And last, drama play writing. Write for theater or genre like fiction, non-fiction or history. That is called dramatist or playwrights. That is the way we professional has their description and known for that we have to be seen through that icebreakers. Let's begin with the lesson for let's standard blog writing. Do you know what blogs are? In the beginning, blogs is a write up that people share online, and it dates back to 1994. So what is the blog? Do you know that? The beginning of the blog writing became the people has to be share their online. It dates back on 1994. In these online journals, you could talk about your daily life and share the thing you do. Online, you have to take talk with them and you have to be daily life sharing things on that blog. However, people got an opportunity to communicate information in a new way, so began a beautiful world of blogging. So many of the people they have to be uses share their views in daily on that blog, and that is the new way of communications in the modern time. What is blog? Blog is a shortened and web blog is online journal and informational website displaying the information in reverse chronological order. Reverse chronological order displaying on that particular blog, and that became the journal and information of website. Which latest post appearing the first? Whatever the latest that became the in front of the screen, and what has to be earlier or the past that became the last scene that became the afterwards. It is a platform where the writer or even a group of writers share their views on individually subject. Such entry is called post. Whatever the writers who post send on that particular device or blog, that became a entry is called post. It means in Marathi ब्लॉग हे आंतरजालावरील ऑनलाईन नियतकालिका जर्नल किंवा माहितीचे संकेतस्थळ आहे. आपल्या उलट्या क्रमानुसार नवीन पोस्ट प्रथम अशा प्रकारे ती माहिती दिलेली असते. हे एक असे व्यासपीठ आहे जिथे एखाद्याला लेखक आणि लेखकाचा समूह विशिष्ट विषयावर आपले वैयक्तिक मत मांडत असतो. अशा प्रत्येक अपडेट्स केले जाते आणि अर्थपूर्ण संभाषण सुरू करण्यासाठी वाचक ब्लॉग पोस्टवर अंतर्गत आपले विचार लेखन सादर करू शकतात, आपली मते व्यक्त करू शकतात. Blog structure. The appearance of the blog change over the course of time. Most blogs include some standard features and structure. Here are common features that typically blogs will include. The blog had the specifically change in the course of times. The past years, the blog became the different in the modern time. There are many features and structure added in that function of blog, and common features and typically blog includes. So that first, headers with the menu or navigation bar. शीर्षका लेखावर हेडर मेनू उपलब्ध गोष्टी किंवा नेव्हिगेशन बार असतो. जसं वर्ड आपण यूज करत असतो तर वर्डच्या वरच्या पेजेसला हेडर अँड फुटर असं दिलेलं असतं. तशाच पद्धतीने ब्लॉगसाठी सुद्धा हेडर असतं, तिथं आपल्याला हेडलाईन ही टाकावी लागत असते. मेन कंटेंट एरिया विथ हायलाइट अ लार्जेस्ट ब्लॉग पोस्ट, and there is an particularly main part, that is the main content area that we highlighted in latest blog post. मुख्य दर्शन पानावर ठळक किंवा नवीनतम ब्लॉग पोस्ट पाहता येणाऱ्या जुन्या पोस्ट संग्रहित केल्या जाऊ शकतात. जुन्या पोस्ट एका साईडला असतात, नव्या पोस्ट हे आपल्याला स्क्रीनवरती दिसत असतात. स्लाइड बार विथ सोशल प्रोफाइल्स, फेवरेट कंटेंट अँड कॉल टू ॲक्शन्स. साइड बारवर सोशल प्रोफाइल्स आवडता मजकूर इत्यादी गोष्टी तिथं दिसलेल्या असतात. Footer with a relevant link like the disclaimer, privacy policy, content page, etc. In footer there is an relevance links also available and also private policy and contact page also there. Third, मध्ये डिस्क्लेमर, गोपनीयता धोरण, अनुक्रमणिका, पुष्ट इत्यादी सारखं संबंधित दुवे तिथं दिलेले असतात. फुटर अँड ओके. Here a list of reason why people blog and how blog can be benefit your personal and professional lives. तर ब्लॉग्स हा कशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला बेनिफिशियल आपल्या पर्सनल लाईफमध्ये आणि प्रोफेशनल लाईफमध्ये कसं आहे तर ते बघूया. एक्सप्रेस युअर self and share your passion. We can share ourself and passion also. स्वतःला आणि स्वतःच्या भावना व्यक्त करण्यासाठी आपण ब्लॉगचा वापर करत असतो. मेक अ डिफरन्स, शेअर इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. वी कॅन शेअर इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड मेक अ डिफरंट थिंग्स. Refine your writing skill, learn how to make money online, build your professional network, earn more media exposures. So in this particularly, refine your writing skill. Whatever the writing we write that became with the help of the blog, we can refine, correct them. Learn how to make the money online. We have to learn how to make the online money. Build the professional network, and we can build the professional network also. And more media exposure, we can got more media exposure. Importance of the blog refine your thoughts. Our thoughts has to be refined by reading others also. Blog reward the creators. आणि ब्लॉग मधून आपल्याला बऱ्याच अशा गोष्टी तिथून मिळत असतात. ब्लॉग इन्क्रीज द नॉलेज, आपलं नॉलेज हे वाढत असतं. ब्लॉग कनेक्ट अस आवर पीपल्स. वी हॅव टू बी कनेक्ट अवर नियरेस्ट पीपल्स. आपल्या जवळच्या लोकांचे आपण कनेक्ट होतो. ब्लॉग गिव्स द इंट्रोवर्ट अ व्हॉइस. ब्लॉग रिवॉर्ड द न्यू एज पब्लिशर्स. आणि या ब्लॉगमधून नवीन लेखन करणाऱ्या व्यक्तींशी आपल्याला जोडले जाऊ शकतो. ब्लॉग्स ॲक्सेलरेट द डिस्कवरीज. आणि ब्लॉग्समधून बऱ्याच अशा गोष्टी आपल्याला नवीन डिस्कवर या होत असतात. अ ब्लॉग ओपन अप द वर्ल्ड विदाउट बॉर्डर. आणि या ब्लॉगमध्ये कोणत्याही पद्धतीची बॉर्डर नाही. वन कॅन राईट, एव्हरी वन कॅन हॅज टू बी गिवन द रिस्पॉन्सेस ऑन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर that pages and whatever you have to write. How the blog is important and their benefits and professional life you will see, and structure and what is the blog you will see in this page. So now all students must be paid attention on that particular topic. How to write a blog post in 5 easy steps. Step 1, plan your blog post by choosing a topic, create the outlines and conducting research and checking facts. First step is that you have to be choose the one topic for post of blog writing, create an outline, conducting research and checking the facts. In Marathi, पहिली पायरी, सर्वप्रथम आपण ब्लॉग पोस्ट करण्याची योजना आखा. आपण काय लिहिणार आहोत ते ठरवा. एक विषय निवडा, रूपरेषा तयार करा आणि आपल्याला असलेली माहितीचा आढावा घ्या. स्टेप सेकंड, गिव्ह इट an attractive title. So whatever you have to write for the blog, that should have the attractive titles. दुसरी पायरी, पोस्टसाठी एखादे आकर्षक शीर्षक द्या. वाचकांचे लक्ष वेधण्याच्या दृष्टीने ते संपर्क असावेत. Step 3, drafting the headline and its both information and will capture the reader's attention. So you have to be drafting the headline and both informative and capture the reader's attention. It means in Marathi. तिसरी पायरी, प्रास्ताविक मजकूर आणि सारांश देणारी अंतिम परिषद असे ब्लॉगचे पोस्ट सुधारण्याचे स्वरूप असावे. आपल्या वैयक्तिक अनुभवांचा जरूर समावेश करावा. फोर्थ स्टेप, हॅव and introductions, lead and concluding paragraphs that sum up the blogs, the post, and your personal experience. You have to be introduce the topic, concluding paragraphs, sum up the blog post, and add your personal experience also. Step 4. चौथी पायरी. आपले पोस्ट अधिक खुलासासाठी लिखाण ओघावत असू द्यावी. विनोदाचा समावेश करावा. छोटे परिच्छेद, साधी सुटसुटीत वाक्य, शब्दरचना याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ते लिहिता येऊ शकतात. आणि या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये तुम्हाला तुमचं योग्य स्टार्टिंग, योग्य कन्क्लुडिंग पॅरेग्राफ या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला द्याव्या लागतील. आणि इथं तुम्हाला फ्लो चार्ट्स, इम्पॉर्टंट फ्लो ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन, ह्युमर, एक्सप्लेन अँड कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स, युजेस शॉर्ट पॅरेग्राफ, सिम्पल अँड शॉर्ट सेंटेन्सेस अँड वर्ड, इमेजेस हे सगळे तुम्हाला इथं मेन्शन करावे. तर इथं तुम्हाला विविध प्रकारच्या ह्युमरस, कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स, शॉर्ट पॅरेग्राफ्स, simple short sentences, words that you can use this. Use the image in enhance your post, improve its flow and humors, and explain the complex topic. Use the short paragraphs and simple and short sentences and word. Step 5. Edit your blog post. Make sure to avoid repetitions. Read your post aloud to check it flows. Have someone else read it and provide the feedbacks. Keep sentence, paragraphs short. It is alright to delete and modify your writing at the last moment. End your post with discussion questions. So edit your blog post. You can edit whatever you submit that. Make sure avoid the repetitions. Repetition should not be particularly many times repeated the same sentence. Read the post aloud and check it flows. Have someone else provide the feedbacks. Keep sentence and paragraph shorts. Delete, modify your writing and movement, and end your post and discuss the questions. In Marathi. आपल्या ब्लॉगचे पोस्ट संपादन करा. मुद्द्याची पुनरावृत्ती टाळा. लिखाणाचा प्रवाह योग्य आहे की ती तपासा. पोस्ट स्वतः मोठ्याने वाचा. इतर कुणालाही वाचून अभिप्राय देण्यास सांगा. पोस्टच्या शेवटी चर्चेसाठी एखादा प्रश्न द्या. तर या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला ह्या इथं बघता येऊ शकतील. So here some particularly one example of how to write a blog is given here. So first is on the spot B. So here on particular site utsavgoa.on the spot blog.com in 2019 given here. So here the page star, and here's correction also given here. Minimize, cut, that button also given. Background also here. Achievers, report abuse, and this is the way you have to write here. The first Utsav Goa is the headline here, and Diwali Cho Pharal, that is the particular small headline also given. So now begin with that particular. It's Diwali time in India. I will just read. The entire country is celebrating Diwali. Here is wishing you all very happy Diwali in India. Diwali is a festival which is celebrated by all religions together, but with different traditions and rituals. The festival is at the heart of Goan culture marked by Goa charm, Dhan त्रयोदशी, नरक चतुर्थी, लक्ष्मी पूजा, बलि प्रतिपदा, Padwa, Bhav-Beej. 5 days of celebrations appear of our appreciate our relations and family. comment, commemorating the victory of good over the evils, and let's go to the past graduates to make the merry. Time to hang the papers, lanterns, Akash Dio. Outside the house, light panti or clay oil lamps draw the indicate the rangoli pattern and not the forget to the foods Diwali Faral. The tantalizing yours taste buds, but that not all. Diwali in Goa in incomplete without the five different varieties of pho, beaten rice, batat poha, poha with the potatoes. This is the savory version of poha that we all love. Dodanche poha, poha in milk, dudache poha. This is the traditional Goa style preparations of sweet version of poha made by in milk. Curd poha, dahichi poha. This is the sweet version poha made in curd. Poha in coconut milk. This is my favorite version. Poha is cooked with coconut milk and jaggery and beaten rice in jaggery. One of the simplest recipe gets ready in few minutes, and the culinary offering in Goa in a simple and distinct Goa Diwali is marked by sharing this delicious by enjoying the perfectly lit up the wintry evening. After staying up the whole night for the Narkasur rituals in Goa, in whole family taste on faral and this variety of po for a breakfast together, relishing the goodness of food and warmth of kinships. So that is the way given the information of Utsav Goa in Diwali. So that's way you can write the particular kind of blog writing, their particular headline, paragraphs, and detailed information about that. So today's lecture you will see that the introduction of blog, what is blog structure, importance of blogs, personal benefits and professional life, how to write a blog post in 5 easy steps, and